Did you know that some animals have the most unusual leadership styles? Let's dive into the wild kingdom. Fact: meerkats have a babysitter rotation system. While the group forages, one stays back to guard the pups. Fact: African elephants are led by the oldest female, not the strongest male. Wisdom wins over might. Fact: male lions rule with a lazy paw. Lionesses do most of the hunting while males guard the pride. Fact: ants operate under a queen's rule, but worker ants make the decisions through collective intelligence. Fact: killer whales have matriarchal pods, with grandmothers guiding hunting trips, proving experience is power. Have a favorite? Let us know in the comments.